This is smoked pigtails. Masarap siya kapag ka naluto. Kasi lutong-luto siya. I saw somebody. Sarap siya pag lutong-luto. Kung naghihiwalay yung bones niya sa lamon. Itong mga recipe na to, dito ko lang natikman to sa Florida when I got here. This collard greens kasi is one of my husband's favorite vegetable. Later, we're gonna add sugar
and vinegar.
What else did Mom says? Sugar and vinegar.
I think so. That's it.
Wow, you still have to put pigtails in your black eyed peas?
Mm-hmm.
In Namibia, it's 9:20 in the morning. Oh, still morning. And this one, guys, this is black eyed peas. And my husband put pigtails, also smoked pigtails, tapos onions. Pigtails. Alam mo na pigtails. Sa atin, kinakain ba natin yun? Basta may mga recipe dito na
You can put the lid back on that.
dito mo lang matitikman yung kakaiba. This is the lid of the lid. Masarap siya, Rose. Smoked pigtail siya. Naku, mabili yan dito sa US. Sa mga African Americans. Daddy, yung mga white Americans din ba, they cook collard greens?
Who?
The white Americans?
No.
No?
No, not really. I mean, some of them do, but it's not like a staple. For us, it's a staple.
It looks good daw, sabi ni Ana. Thank you, Ana. Pag naluto ito, after we cook this, we're gonna go back. We're gonna sleep na, and then after that, wake up in the morning, like 9 o'clock, and then back to cooking, kasi I'm gonna make cornbread tomorrow, and then mac and cheese, and then we're gonna cook the ham. Oh, the ham is already cooked pala. Pero iano lang siya.
We're just gonna put some honey.
We're gonna put some, where you just have to season the ham and then
heat it back up.
Heat it back. I'll be back right now. Okay, it's all right, Anna. This is overloaded here. There's a lot of seasonings kasi here. This oil, vegetable oil, syrup. We have a mustard here, yellow mustard. Palahani, breading mixed. Steak and pork sauce. Soy sauce, teriyaki. We have hot sauce also. Ayan, mga canned. Ito yung seasoning. Ayan. Pakarami. They have here the adobo seasoning. Sea grinder. Oh, I didn't know that you have to put bell pepper in your collard greens.
You don't have to.